Good morning, friends. This is Naresh, and welcome. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr. Lovath. Today, I am at Raghunath Dham to talk a very intelligent, brilliant, skilled, obedient girl. Let's have a great talk with her. Please tell me about you and your family.
My name is Pranjal Patidar. I live in Jethana. My father name is Jagdish Patidar. My mother name is Veena Patidar.
Yes. What are your hobbies?
I like to read novels and watch podcasts.
Very nice. Which class have you recently passed?
I've just passed class 10th.
Very good. Tell your percentage to our audience.
I've scored 96.83 percentage.
Tell your school name where you secured this great marks.
I studied in Parents Pride Secondary School, Biluda.
Yes. What's your future aim? What do you want to be in future?
My future aim is to be an engineer and be in a reputed company and got a secure placement.
Very good. You decided your future aim to achieve here. Did you get 95 with above marks in any subject?
I scored above 95 in 5 subjects: science, maths, social science, Hindi, and Sanskrit.
Yes. Have you got 100 out of 100 marks in a subject?
I have secured 100 marks in science. Uh,
Yes. 100 out of 100 marks. Parents were at school where she was studying and secured 100 out of 100 marks in science. How could it be it possible? Miss Pranjal, please tell us our audience.
I studied it very fluently and consistently, and moreover, I used to see things practically around myself. I studied NCRT line by line, focused more on question practice and revision.
Yes, good planning to get good marks in 10th board, 96.83 here. How was your reaction after being hearing your result and securing 96.83 percentage in 10th board?
I was quite normal, but my parents celebrated me. Was very happy. I was very happy. My sister gave me a very beautiful gift that good things take more time, and I was quite very happy.
Very nice. I'm just hearing that you are speaking and pronouncing your idea confidently. This is a great thing. A girl who is studying in 10th class and speak fluently in front of the camera, that's very shocking. It's a dedication of his teacher where she was studying, dedication of his parents and his own hard work. So how could it be possible to improve your speaking skill? Tell our audience.
In my school, there always been English spoken classes consistently and continuously, and I was always very attentive in those classes. I have, as I said, that I have the habit of reading books, especially 10 pages a day. It has not only increased my vocabulary and reading speed, it has also evolved my speaking skill. So I think uh, watching English interviews and speaking. In fact, conversation in English is more important for speaking skill.
Very nice. She could speak. She can speak and she will speak fluently. That's a great habit she has adopted from that school here. Tell your study planning because you followed a special planning to get good marks in 10th board. So tell your subject wise study planning to our audience.
Subject wise, planning was simple. My teachers have always supported me, and they have always provided a very great notes from which I studied. And especially my science teacher, who was very fluent at his concept, and he has always said that focus on practical things. Don't just cram things like as if you are a toddler, and just focus, just learn things conceptually, and it will help you more.
Very nice. Need to be careful about study and study plan is very essential to get good marks in your life. Can you suggest because many of the students face struggle and tense and stress while examination, and those who study hard, they really great feel great tension during examination. So you also felt that time years how could manage your stress during examination.
I think we don't need to address stress, because as long as we try to avoid it and tackle it also, our brain try to prowls around it, and the ramification of it would be we will not be able to hit the books anymore. And just take a break, take a deep breath, and just think about your hard work. and you will be able to overcome the stress.
Wow, great. How to overcome a stress during the examination. First of all, we should not take any kind of stress and tension during examinations here. And laterally, just if we have the type of the follow what Franjal suggested you. Franjal, teachers play a great role for the development of the students here. And your teacher or parents' pride could also do this for you. So what role the teacher play for the development of you for securing 96.83% in 10th board? Please tell our audience.
Not only motivating me and teaching things, they have always supported and they have always teach us that you can do it. Every teacher of mine, science teacher Vikas sir, BK sir, who taught us science, who taught teachers SST, has said that just look around your ambience and just think that the subject, core subject, geography, political is around you, and you will able to learn it even more. Maths, especially Jitu sir who teaches, was like that, focus more on concepts and question practice, don't just cram things rapidly. And Hindi teacher Vyas sir have the more mistaken things, which is the matra. We have always worked upon it, and we were quite nice at it because of him only. And our Sanskrit teacher, who has just make us understand, solve previous year question paper, because it will help you more. And because of this so and so good tips, I was able to secure this much percentage.
Yes, nothing can be achieved without the cooperation of the teacher. Parents Pride school team with the help of director Deepak G. Pandya, the cooperation of team Parents Pride, she secured good marks in 10th board. Not only she, but all students did good in 10th board. 25 students appeared in this exam and all students got first division. That's a great and shocking note. It happened not happened in first year, but it has been happening for within last 8 years. So it's a good time and good place where the students are getting good education, and we know that she is speaking fluently. She is giving her interview in English language. It's not possible, it's not hard, but she did, she tried, she practiced a lot. It happened only because of his teacher's dedication to support. So everything can be happened by the help of the teacher, and she adopted, she followed it. Rather than teacher, parents too play a great role for development of their children. So what role parents play for you?
My parents have been very supportive. They have always motivated me, and they have always teach me to not give up and just do your best, that the result will always come in your favor.
Yes, parents always cooperate you. Need to be obedient, need to respect them. What parents say, adopt them. Definitely you will get the result as Pranjal got. Pranjal, do you have an inspiration for the learners? Would you like to inspire the learners what you did? Please tell the inspiration to a learner.
My inspiration was that after 10 years, when I look back at my life, I should not be regretting that I didn't work hard, and I should be secured and independent and just able to fulfill my future aspiration. That was only my inspiration.
Very good. Adopt this because she proved her talent during the board examination. According to you, how should be a study? It should be skill oriented or marks oriented. Please explain.
I think it should be skill oriented, and but at the same time, the marks oriented study gives you a reality check of whatever you have studied, what you should study, and how you should study. So, especially, at the same time, skill study is something which is not being teach in our regular schools because of the education system. But I think we should work upon it, and the government should cooperate with us for the skills.
Very nice. Very marvelous. She is very confident, very confident to express her own views about her teacher, her parents, and teachers. Actually, it's all thing happen with the triangle: teacher, parents, and her own self dedications. When you adopt what teachers say, when you practice what teachers say, and when you follow what teacher help, and respect your parents, and just believe on your hard work, you can achieve everything. And I'm very overwhelmed and delighted that she is speaking fluently, and I'm so happy to talk to her in this way. And I want to share her own experience, her own abilities that she proved in 10th board result. So thank you so much to talk to me in this way. Lastly, I want to suggest you to tell something about Mr. Lawat channel, as I want to aware everyone from your ability, from sharing your ability to one and all. Please tell something about my channel.
Mr. Lawat channel is a very English oriented channel. You can help, which can help you to even learn more in English, and some people also shares their views like me, like I am, and my friends. So I think you should subscribe to Lawat channel and just watch their videos regularly.
Thank you so much, Miss Pranjal. You told my audience to subscribe, share my YouTube channel, Mr. Lawat. Actually, it's will help me to boost, to move ahead, because I am doing something new for the students regularly. Will increase something more here. Thank you so much for watching me with Miss Pranjal on my YouTube channel. Thank you.